Hello and welcome to Gyan Zindagi. In this video today we learn the beautiful journey from caterpillar to a butterfly. This beautiful journey starts when a butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of a plant. These eggs hatch and small babies called caterpillars come out of the eggs. Caterpillars start feeding on the leaves and start growing bigger. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating. Now it forms a protective layer around it. This stage of caterpillar is known as pupa. After around 15 days, a beautiful butterfly comes out of the pupa. After few hours, the wings become stronger and butterfly is able to fly. This is the diagram of the life cycle of a butterfly. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.